Expand your vocabulary and improve your listening skills with this short story in English. Thump, thump, thump. What's that noise? Jack wonders. He puts his travel mug back into the cup holder. He puts his turn signal on and pulls over to the side of the road. Jack gets out of the car. He looks down and can't believe what he sees. The tire is flat. Jack puts his hands on his hips and sighs. Oh no, he says. This is not good. Jack walks to the back of the car. He gets the spare tire from the trunk. Jack bends down to remove the flat tire. Then he hears a strange sound. It sounds like something's ripping. What was that sound? Jack asks himself. Something is wrong. Jack feels the back of his pants with his hand. His pants are ripped. The seam in the back of his pants is ripped. Jack is mad. He finishes changing the tire on his car. When the spare tire is secure, Jack puts the flat tire into the trunk of the car. He continues his journey to work. When he arrives at the office, he parks his car and walks into the building. His jacket is wrapped around his waist to hide the rip in his pants. Hey, Jack, why are you wearing your jacket around your waist? Jack turns around. He sees Jennifer, his assistant. She is smiling. Don't bother me, says Jack. I'm not in a good mood. I'm mad. Why are you so mad? Asks Jennifer. My pants ripped down the back. There's a big hole and you can see my underwear. Jack walks into his office and closes the door. He throws his jacket onto the chair and takes off his pants. He's going to use the stapler to staple his pants together. Jack hears a knock at the door. Come in, says Jack. The door opens. Justin walks into the office. Justin is Jack's boss. How's it going, Jack? Asks Justin. I hear you're having an exciting morning. I'm having a terrible morning, says Jack. First, I get a flat tire. Then the seam in the back of my pants rips. Oh no, that's too bad, says Justin. Would you like some good news? Asks Justin. Yes, please, replies Jack. Well, you're being promoted, exclaims Justin. You are the new manager of marketing. That's great, exclaims Jack. Jack is smiling. He's very happy. Congratulations, Jack. Of course, you get a raise with this promotion. So now, maybe you can afford to buy a new pair of pants. Jack laughs. Yes, I'm going to the mall right now, says Jack. Enjoy the rest of your day, says Justin. Thanks, Jack replies. I plan to.